Sawadi ka pa. Grabe, labad. Labad kayo kung ulo kagabi guys. Super. Muna pansin ninyo kagabi paspas ra kay ko naka-live. Oy, naghonghong ko kagabi ha. Katong mga wala nakadungog sa honghong nako kagabi bahala na mo. Pero tanawa ninyo kay nako gihonghong didto. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take your son and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. And every heart and every beat, hey Jude, begins. Don't call it a world upon your shoulder. Okay, diri na ta guys, mag-umpisa na, daog na ta karon. Ay, sige lang ma'am. Ayaw ka goal, ma'am. I-block na ka dire. Ayaw, sige, og atik-atik diya sa ako ang live. Sige na, mag-start na ko. Start na ko, guys. Sige. Hulat mo. Oy, sa damgo nato ha. Basi na po'y mo gawas anang damgo nato. Ayaw jud ninyo kalimhi-kalimti. So, kuan. Then, number na to 6. Dayon 27. Number mga ka-baby loves, suman ako, oy, pakabalik ito ninyo kagabi itong gihunghong nako ha, basi wala mo nakakita aton na. Mugawas kay akong hunghong kagabi maano jud mo ba? So balikin ninyo kay basi unya mao toy mugawas na sayang. Bugha. Dari na ta sa double number, guys. Uy, actually, paspas. Guys, paspas lang ko karon guys, ha. Dili ko magdugay kay kanang basta paspas lang taron. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go. I don't know, she wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go. Charot lang. Kanta-kanta lang ta mga ka-baby loves, pawala sa kalaay. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take your sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to... Kaya kong problema kay ting school supplies, kaya more on... Gusto na ko muda. Actually, nakapadaog ko tong isang adlaw, pero dili gyud siya enough. Kay kabalo ba mo, lisod kay ron ang panahon. So, need na ko og igo nga time, ana, gusto ko makadaog ko sa sige na, mag-start na si Baby Shawl. 677. Sige, kay nag-start na ta, guys. Diri na, nag-start na ko. Maghatag na gani kong 2 p.m. Dahil lang, guys, ha. Okay, diri na, start na. Siyempre, daog taron, target. Mama na ang ginakuha na ko, guys, nga makadaog mong target. Okay. Okay, guys, diri na, nag-start na. Bahala na mo, kapuyan ko. Basta kung kinsa lang tong okay, bahala mo. Tapos, guys,